Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we will use VLOOKUP function to compare two different columns. The purpose of comparing two different columns using VLOOKUP tool is because to find out the duplicate values in both columns. To do that, we will use VLOOKUP in such a way that is equal to, we will write VLOOKUP and then we will select the first cell from the first column and we will write comma, and then we will select the second column and again we will write the comma, and then we will write 1. Here 1 mean the first column, and then we will write comma, and we want, here you can see true mean approximate matches and false mean exact matches, so we will select false. We close the parenthesis and hit enter. So now here we can see in the comparison Alice, we found that Alice is here in the data we have. So if you drag down this formula, you will know how this works. Okay, now you can see wherever we have data which is copied from these two columns, it appears here. It means that this data is duplicated in both columns. Like here you can see Grace, it is here and also here, and where we have false data, or you can see this value you have here, it means that there is nothing. So here you can see these are random names. Now if you want to copy those names which are duplicated, you can do one thing. You can simply just copy them and go to another sheet, and here you can paste them as values, and now you can select all those false data one by one, or we can also use a filter. So I am doing it one by one, and I will right click and delete here. So when I delete here, you can see these are all the names that are duplicated in the both columns. So from here you can copy them, and you can just paste them here to know that which of the names are duplicated. So it's a very simple and easy method, and through this method you can easily find out the duplicate data between two columns, and you can list them separately for any purpose you need. So I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. If you have any questions or any confusion about any topic related to Microsoft Excel, please drop in the comments and I will answer you. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video.